Congratulations, Coach LA. We know how dangerous San Miguel's all Filipino lineup is. How did you ensure you wouldn't be complacent seeing them import less and that you'd be able to bring out the best in Chapman after he was unhealthy against Ginebra?
Um, first and foremost, I want to give credit to my players, for responding really well. And I challenged them actually before the game, before the huddle, when we found out that the Import is not playing. I told them that this team is more dangerous without an Import. They are an all Filipino champions for a reason. So I really challenged them. Kasi mas mahirap talaga sila, mas nakatakot kalaban ng San Miguel pag all Filipino. And they responded to the challenge, and that's what I really like. What I'm seeing right now in Magnolia, in my team, I actually, honestly, I keep on challenging them. Every practice. Minsan yan, masasakit na yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. But for me, it's for us to grow as a team. I have a lot of young players right now. I think they're up to the challenge. And yun yung maganda dito sa mga players. So that's why I keep on challenging them. So tonight, I have to give credit to my players for responding to that after I saw they lost actually on the Saturday game, last Friday game. So nag-respond sila. So that's what we need. Every win that we pwede namin makuha, we'll take it. We took advantage na wala silang import. So
Thank you, Coach. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations. Of course, you've already mentioned that you play without an import. How big was that, and how you guys took advantage of that?
Well, first of all, you gotta give San Miguel credit for playing without an import. I think they might play nearly as good with an import as they do without. So, or the other way around, I would say. So, give them a lot of credit. They obviously played hard tonight, but we had to find an advantage, and I know I needed to be that advantage. So, I think defensively we were pretty good for most of the game, not the whole game. And I know Coach will probably say the same thing. There's places where we can get better, which, like I always say, that's exciting. We have potential to get better and grow. Offensively, we're sharing the ball. I think we're starting to really get a group offensively, and like I said, find advantages where we can and continue getting better.
Coach, in the Ginebra game, marami kayong turnovers. How about this game? Ano lang masabi doon?
Marami pa rin nga actually. At least nag-improve kami. 3 na lang ang nabawas. I think one thing that we're struggling right now is because marami kami turnovers because of the familiarity of the offense. If you can see, we changed our offense from last conference to this conference. Also, another adjustment for them. What I really emphasize with this team right now is really how to play defense. Because on offense we can do whatever we want, as long as we take care of the ball. But itong mga turnovers naman namin, fixable naman eh. It's really about the familiarity with the new system and the new offense that I put in this conference. So, unti-unti. Hopefully 20 last game, 17 today. Hopefully next game 15. So pababa. So yun yung na. But again, I always tell them, if we turn the ball over, we have to get back and play defense.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Glenn.
Thank you.